this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an issue in GitHub. So the first thing you want to do is go to github.com and of course log into your account. Then you want to click on your avatar at the top right over here, and you want to go to your repositories, okay? In here, you want to choose your repository that has the issue you would like to delete. So for me, it's going to be this one, trial 1. And in here, as you can see, there's one issue present up here. What you want to do is click on the issues, and over here I have this one issue called issue 1. Now the way you can delete this is very easy. You simply have to click on the issue, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here at the bottom right you will see delete issue. What you have to do is simply press delete issue, and then you'll be prompted with this pop-up window which says, are you sure you want to delete this issue? This cannot be undone. Only admins can delete issues, and deletion will remove the issue from search, and previous references will point to a placeholder. If you agree with all this, you want to press delete this issue, and that's it. As you can see, there's no more issues and the issue has been successfully deleted. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.